This is how it turned out. Warm, soft, and beautifully cooked. The cheese has melted just enough and everything looks so comforting. I felt like making something warm and comforting today, so I decided to prepare these stuffed peppers, a simple yet beautiful vegetarian meal. I begin by cutting the tops and gently removing the seeds. I'm using a mix of red and green peppers, which add such a lovely color and freshness. In a pan, I've already sautéed ginger, garlic and onions, and now I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. Then I add a few spices, just enough to bring warmth and depth, allowing everything to come together slowly. Next, I add the boiled potatoes, which I prepared earlier and allowed to cool, and mix everything until it's soft, well combined, and full of flavor. The filling is ready and smells so inviting. If you're enjoying this moment, do consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. I then carefully fill each pepper and finish with a light layer of grated cheese on top. Into the oven they go, where they bake gently until perfectly golden. And here it is, a simple, wholesome vegetarian meal, perfect for moments like these. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.